It has been a long time since I've gotten to do a video where I'm talking about makeup that is new to me, but from several different brands at once. So I wanted to bring you guys this little video today, but also so I could test this stuff out for myself because it's all very new to me. So I have some complexion products that I am going to be trying from Salt, New York. I've been talking about this for a while, how I've wanted to try them probably for years now, but I never did it, and I finally bit the bullet. I also got some PR from Kaja. They just came out with these brand new multi-balm sticks. Look at them. It's like they're little deodorants. Very excited. And these are Dewy Cheek and Lip Multi-Balms, but I'm just using that on my cheek because I also received some of these delicious balms from Finding Ferdinand, and they sent me 3 of their new colors. I am really, really excited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be testing out all of this makeup. Now let me show you the Salt palette. The way that Salt New York works is that you pick your refills and your palette, or you can pick a single compact and you just build your own. So I was able to pick out foundation, concealer, blush, and illuminator. I am so excited about this. Now, I'm not going to be trying this blush today because I do want to try one of the Kaja ones, but we're going to test it all out. I'm about to go get my nails done in just a little bit, and while I'm there, I'm going to be masked the whole time, so I'm curious to see how this lasts, and then I'm going to check back in with you. I do want to say what I kind of expect out of these. So these are supposed to be, they are literally called balms. It is called the Sneaky Balm Foundation. I am expecting a light to maybe buildable to medium coverage that has at least like a dewy or somewhat skin-like finish. I do not want completely matte. And because of that, this is not something where I expect it to last 24 hours, okay? That is something I might expect out of a full coverage matte foundation. It is not something I expect out of something with the word balm in its title. So I'm going to use my usual BK Beauty 106 brush. This is what I always use. I am notoriously awful at picking foundation shades for myself. So the shade that I picked for this, these are very easy to get in and out, by the way, which is nice, is N12. So I just put some on the brush, and let's see. You can also apply this just with your fingers, it says. I'm not seeing much pickup from a brush, so maybe I'll try with my fingers. Oh my God, it is so creamy and emollient. Ooh, this might be too light for me. No, that might not be too bad. Let's apply it on 1/2 of my face to start. I'm staying away from my immediate under eyes because I do also have a concealer in here. And I hope I can use this. I mean, I know that, so the owner, whose name is Kiki, she applies a lot of these with just her, a dry sponge. And I don't know why that kind of gives me the ick because I know it's perfectly fine to do that, but I never use a dry sponge for anything. All right, so you can see the difference. This side has the foundation, this one does not. The shade is definitely like a touch light for me, but it's not too bad. Now, I think it does a really nice job of kind of evening things out and giving it a glow without covering my freckles. Like, I like my freckles to show. And there are times where, even kind of right now, I have a big dark spot right here that I actually enjoy it when it shows sometimes. And right now, I don't know why. I feel like she's looking kind of cute. I feel like she's standing out. And I did not use a lot of product. Now I'm curious, now that it's a little more emollient, I'm going to go back in with a brush. Okay, so there you can definitely build a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, the coverage is getting a little closer to medium. It's still a light coverage, which is what I prefer. It feels good on the skin. It doesn't feel too tacky at all. And look, it does give a nice glow, and I have no primer on today. So again, here is with the Sneaky Balm, here's without. Let's do the other side. Now, if you're somebody who gets grossed out doing your makeup with your hands, there are definitely, again, other ways that you can do this, but I'm finding this to be the best method for me. And I always tell this story. When I was in my early 20s and I really loved MAC Cosmetics, I thought I was the shit and I knew everything about everything. And I remember going in there at one point and I was talking to the guy who was working at the time. And he was naming off like, oh, well, this is a good brush for this. And I was like, oh, is that the, I don't remember the name of the brushes anymore, but I was like, oh, is that the 106? Oh, is that the 217? And 217 actually was a MAC brush. I remember that now. But I was like trying to flex real hard on an actual makeup artist. And he was like, yeah, but you know what my favorite brush is the number 1. And I was like, there is no MAC brush number 1. He goes, number 1, and then applied my makeup with his finger, and I felt so dumb and never forgot it. So here is the coverage. I'm really, really enjoying this so far. This is my kind of coverage, something that just evens things out. By the way, if it isn't obvious, I did do kind of like a one and done smoky eyeshadow look, and I did do my brows, but that's all the makeup I have on today. But I'm really enjoying this finish so far, and once we warm up the face a little bit, it's going to even out. So now I'm taking my BK Beauty A506 and I'm going into this concealer. This is definitely quite light for me, but I don't mind a brightening effect when it comes to concealer, and I don't think that this is necessarily too light, so that's good. I was worried this was going to be like white on me, and again, it just like it melts with your finger, so I actually kind of enjoy applying these with my hands. And a little bit of this concealer is going a very long way. This is a brand new product for them, and it's called Best Case Concealer. By the way, I did purchase this palette with my own money. Fun fact, I found out that this week, as you're watching this, I am currently in New Orleans, and I am at the Creators and Friends trip, and I just found out we might be getting this exact thing in PR on the trip, but I did purchase this one with my own money. Wow, this really goes a long way. I'm trying to just use up what's on the brush, and it's hard because it's going so far. That is so nice feeling. It feels very hydrating. I don't even want to set it with a powder. Some days I really just hate using powder, and I don't feel like it today. So this is the coverage with the concealer. I do need to blend it out a little bit more, but I think it's really nice, and it is buildable. It feels really good. I think we're on a roll. All right, let's move on to one of these Dewy Bar. No, actually, wait. I want to apply real quick just a little bit of bronzer. I'm going to use all cream products today, so I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Sun Kissed Cream Bronzer, just a tiny, tiny bit of it, because I don't want to take away from that dewy cream blush, but I do want to just warm up my face a little bit and do like a slight bit of like a bronzer. All right, there we go. Not too much. Now, which shade of this do I want to use today? These are all so pretty, but like, oh my gosh, wait, which one? I feel like this one is kind of screaming at me. Let's see. So the color is called Grapefruit Gelato. Okay, so, oh my God. Oh, wait, so it does. Oh my gosh, do you see how it twists up? And it is, it's like a deodorant. Does it twist back down? It does. Oh my God, that's amazing. So should I apply this directly to the skin or with it? Let me try with a brush first. Oh, that looks super. Do you see the shine on there? This is super emollient. And yes, applying it with a brush looks like it'll work great. Oh, this is my kind of product. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. What color is this? Grapefruit Gelato? Oh my gosh, so these retail for $25 each. Seems like this is a lot of product too. It says 0.35 ounces. So I almost want to check some of my other blushes to see how many ounces they are. But look how cute this glow is. This is like dream skin status right here. These are so cute. Ah, I'm like, I'm shaking. It's so cute. Oh my God, I almost want to use this on my lips too. But I want to try the other ones. Look how pretty. You know what? It's set down a bit too. It still is a tiny bit tacky, but not much. But I expect that of like a super dewy blush. Oh my God, so, so cute. So the colors we have, and I'm going to make a reel on these, I believe. We have Berry Sparkler, Strawberry Sorbet, Peach Cobbler, Fig Smoothie, Cranberry Cooler, and Grapefruit Gelato. I'm not going to lie, when I opened this, I was like, okay, maybe I'll keep like one of these colors, maybe two, and then, you know, pass the rest on to friends. Sorry, friends, I might be keeping them all. Okay. Now I want to try one of these delicious balms. What's interesting to me about this is that I have not been like a balm girl, and I feel like that's what's so popular right now. Everybody's coming out with tinted lip balms. It is the thing. But I haven't really tried them, so I'm excited to try one of these. Also, again, I want to state my expectations with these. They are a balm. I just stated I'm going to be wearing a mask when I get my nails done, so my nails are going to be done for probably like 2 hours. It's going to take like 2 hours to get them done. And I do not expect a lip balm to last through 2 hours of wearing a mask. I'm just going to throw that out there. But let's take a look at these colors. So the first color we have is Photo Shoot Red and is a black cherry. Ooh, I wonder how pigmented these are. That is so pretty. The second color we have is called Feministe. And this is, ooh, just a really pretty red. Are any of these going to go with the look I'm wearing right now? I imagine that they'll be more muted, obviously. And the last color is Lucky Cat. And this is a cool toned grayish purple. I can't do it. It smells so good. And they also all have scents. This one smells like Asian pear. The red one smells like watermelon. And the black cherry. Oh, it's called Photo Shoot Red, and it smells like black cherry. Do I want to do this one? Let's try it. So again, this is Photo Shoot Red. Let's see how it does. Could it be any more perfect? Could it be any more perfect? This feels so nice, and it actually feels thicker than I was expecting. And I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean in the way that, like, I don't think that this is going to go away in 20 minutes. Like, when I put on a lip balm, it goes away pretty fast. This feels like it might hang on for a while. And this one smells like black cherry. It smells so good. Ooh, okay, I really like that. Honestly, guys, finding Ferdinand, if you haven't tried them as a brand, don't sleep on them. I have tried their cream blushes and now their lip balms, and I am super impressed with them so far. It seems like they know what they're doing. You know what I mean? It seems like they're not trying to make 50,000 different products. They're trying to do something and do it really well, and I really appreciate that. So one other thing that I want to try is the illuminator that I got from Salt New York, and this color is called Just Beige. I have swatched it, and from the swatch, it seemed quite subtle. Again, I'm going to apply this with my fingers, but I'm just going to apply this direct. Oh, I can't speak. That is so beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, when I swatched this, I have to admit, it's not that I wasn't impressed with it, but it didn't blow me away because I'm so used to these like blinding from space highlighters lately. But look at that. Like, this looks like my skin, but way better. Oh my God, hold on. Gotta match. You guys, the skin, she is skinning today. Oh, I love this. You know what? I am going to apply, while I'm not going to apply powder, I want to put a little setting spray on. I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is the Ultra Glow. You guys, I think my skin looks so pretty right now. It has definitely like a luminous glow. I feel like this foundation is going to become a favorite. I really do, because I crave a lightweight foundation, and even brands that say they're lightweight, I feel like they're medium, and that's fine, but it's not lightweight. This feels so beautiful to me. Also, I'm still trying to get the hang of styling my new haircut, so bear with me. I know she's a little frizzy today, but like, this feels so good. I'm not gonna lie, it is not 100% set down, so you can probably add a powder if that's your jam. I don't want to. I want it to stay just like this. So what I'm going to do, it is currently 10:38 a.m. I'm going to be stepping away and getting my nails done. I'm probably not gonna be back until like this evening because I don't get my nails done for a while still. But what are we thinking so far? Because I am so happy. Okay, I am going to go get my nails done and wear a mask, and I will be back. All right, so it has been about 4.5 hours since I put on my makeup, and like I said, I got my nails done. We've got our nails back. I'm so excited, but I have been wearing a mask for the last like 2.5 hours. So here is what we're looking like after that amount of time. Now, first of all, the lip balm, like I said, I expected it to be gone, and it is gone. You know what? Why don't we try a different color while I'm here? Which one should I try? That like grayish purple. I can't try the grayish purple yet. I can't. So let's try the other color, which is Feministe, and this is the one that smells like watermelon. I don't smell it yet. This one is pretty too. I think I like the black cherry one more. I don't smell anything with this one, I'll be honest, but these do feel so good. But with my skin looking up close, this is perfect for me. This is exactly how I want my foundation and my concealer and my blush and my highlighter to fade each day. I think this looks so beautifully natural. I think this looks like actual skin. It's settled in nicely, but I can still see that there is definite coverage. Like, I don't even see where the coverage is gone. That's the weird part. Like, maybe a tiny bit here under my eyes where I've got a little bit of deepness, but at the same time, that is exactly where my mask sits, like right here. And I always pinch it when I'm wearing a mask. So that makes sense that that would be gone, but it's not completely gone here, which is definitely where I put the concealer. Very impressed. I can very much see the blush. I very much see that highlight. Look how beautiful that highlight still is. And the highlight is, again, from the Salt New York palette. It's this one down here. I am very, very impressed with the Salt New York stuff. With the Finding Ferdinand balm, I think these are so pretty and they feel really nice. Like, again, I don't expect a balm to last for a long time, but it feels thicker. And to be honest, like, it lasted for a good long time, like to the point where I pulled my mask down to take a little bit of a drink, and my nail artist was like, oh, your lips, like, what's your lipstick? And I was like, it's not lipstick, it's a balm. And it was really lasting for a long time. But again, after several hours of being in a mask and drinking my drink, it did go away. But I really like those. And these, this is like a slam dunk for me. This is the kind of product I love. These are dewy, they are comfortable, they last. The color I used again is Grapefruit Gelato, but I did film a reel swatching all of them. I'm keeping all of them. I genuinely thought I was going to be giving one away or like several away to friends. No, nope, nope, nope. These are staying in the family. I am so excited because, again, it's been a long time since I've tried a bunch of new brands at once. Like, not necessarily new brands. Obviously, I've tried Kaja, I've tried Finding Ferdinand, but I mean new to me makeup products from different brands. Usually I'm trying like a collection from one brand or something. This was so much fun to me. So that's it for the video. Let me know what you're thinking of this. Is this a product you would try? I am so impressed with this base, and I can't wait to have more colors so that I can just experiment more. I believe I might have also gotten a bronzer in the next set, so I'm definitely very excited about that. And these Kaja like deodorants on my face are amazing. So that's it. If you liked this video, I would love if you give it a thumbs up. That helps out my channel so much. I'm about to cough. You all can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Those are all Glitter Fallout. As always, and forever and ever and ever, you are super freaking rock stars. God, it feels good to do that with my nails again. Like, oh, and I love you so much with my whole heart, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.